In primetime news this evening, calls for commission of inquiry. Opposition wants independent inquiry into death of woman after childbirth as Health Ministry receives preliminary report on the tragedy. And more calls for a probe into health facilities readiness for COVID-19 patients. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on how the Jody and Ferron case should be handled?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.